Forget single-use stickers and try these reusable 3D stickers. With our UV flatbed printer, you can create a 3D design in just minutes. In just a few minutes, watch your design pop into 3D. The design is automatically cut with smooth, perfect edges. The best part is you can reuse it again and again. Stick it on a hat today and move it to a box tomorrow. Gift bags, t-shirts, hats, laptops, you can decorate anything you like. It peels off easily without leaving any sticky residue. It works perfectly on bottles, cups, fridges, or any surface. The raised design is durable and flexible and feels great to the touch. Break free from single use and re-stick your stickers for endless DIY fun.